So this is quite a nice wee system, GTmetrix. So if you have your own website, which we do, sell solo ads or resell it. Here's the website here. So this is it. So if we put that in, it will tell us how fast it goes. And it's test server, choosing Canadian network, and then it's doing its thing. I'm not sure if this will work because that's my sort of link. So the actual website is soloadsking.com. So it's come up with a page which you've just seen, and it's analysing all the data. So you can put in your own website or any website, and here it's saying it's performance wise 89%, it's structured really well, and it's giving you all the data that you would need to analyze it, because you might want to optimize it and make it run faster, and then you can retest it and you can actually compare it with another URL. You need to create an account to do that. But if you were, say, just comparing it to another solo ad company, or if yours is Shopify, a similar thing. So it gives you an initial structure. Is your website good, and is it fast enough? It's really just a short video, so if you want to take a look, then just click the link. And if you want a business, which is a really special one that teaches you so much and gives you so much value, then take a look at that too, and we'll see you there.